Hi everyone. How are you today? Let's learn English conversation with me. 3. Making a deposit.
How are you doing?
Great. Thanks for asking.
What can I do for you today?
I would like to deposit some money.
Are you depositing cash or a check?
I want to deposit cash.
How much are you depositing?
I would like to deposit $300.
What account do you want your money in?
I want to deposit it into my checking account.
Do you need anything else?
No. That's all. Thank you.
How are you?
I'm fantastic.
What can I help you with?
I want to make a deposit today.
Cash or check?
It will be cash today.
How much do you want to deposit?
I need to deposit $300.
What account will you be depositing this money into?
Deposit it into my checking account.
What else can I do for you today?
That's all I need today. Thanks.
How are things with you?
I'm fine. Thank you.
How may I help you?
I need to make a deposit.
Will you be depositing cash or a check?
I will be depositing cash.
How much would you like to deposit?
It's going to be $300.
What account would you like to deposit that into?
Could you deposit that into my checking account, please?
Can I do anything else for you today?
That'll be all. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Dan Sreyoun in order to get more video. Thank you.